Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. As you can see, I have those two folders that are indeletable, and whenever you try to delete them, they won't ever delete. As you can see, they gave that this file is no longer located in that address. Verify the item location and try again. So the solution is easy. So the first thing to do is open your command prompt, your CMD as administrator by clicking on right click, run as administrator. Then you need to type in this command. I will provide that in the description. And now copy the folder path. Here click on property and here is the location of the folder. As you can see, make sure to add the folder name. Make sure to add the folder name. Do not click enter now. If you did click enter directly, this will delete your whole desktop, as you can see. So make sure to copy the full address of your folder, including your folder name / folder1, as you can see. Click enter and now click yes. You can see it is deleted, as you can see. Folder number 2, enter, yes, and you can see that folder number 2 is gone. Just make sure that you did enter the address of your full file, including the name of the file at the end. So that's it, easy to do. Thank you for watching the video. If this solved your problem, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips, and also don't forget to leave me a comment. Thank you for watching.